Hey everyone, it's Kristen, and today we're going to be doing this bright green, blue, and purple makeup look. And to start out this look, we're going to be using the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place. And we're first going to use the teal shade in the crease area. With this shade, I'm going to create an angled shape to the outer corners. Next, I'll be using the Jeffree Star Androgyny eyeshadow palette, and I'll be using the dark blue shade. And I'll be putting this in the outer corners as well, again trying to create an angled shape to the outer sides of the eye. Next, using the Zulu palette again, we're going to be using the dark purple shade for the very outermost corners, blending into the dark blue. Then I'll be using the Milani Conceal and Perfect Concealer to cut the creases. Once we have the shape that we want, we're going to be using the dark blue shade again to blend into the dark purple. Then we'll be using the teal shade again, blending into the dark blue. Then using the Zulu palette again, we'll be using the bright sparkly green shade. And to apply this, we're going to be using the MAC Prep and Prime spray that we'll spray on the brush prior to applying the pigment. For the underneath of the eye, I'll be using a little bit of purple on the outer corners and the same green shade for the inner corners. For my lashes, I'll be using the Neutrogena Healthy Lengths Mascara and then topping this with false lashes later on. Here I'm using a little bit of light brown powder to contour my cheekbones, nose, and forehead areas. For blush, I'm using the Sigma Cosmetics Aura Blush in the shade Nymphea. For a highlighter, I'm using the Juvia's Place Warrior palette for the middle light pink sparkly shade. And for the lips, I'm using the NYX Liquid Lingerie Liquid Lipstick in the shade Embellishment. And that completes this bright green, purple, and blue makeup look. Let me know what you guys think of this look in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hope to see you guys again soon.